aja ya. Okay, first, I'm sorry for my poor English because you know I'm not too often to talk in the medium with the audience with the English people. Thank you for Miss Karina inviting me to sharing in discussion. First of all, I wanna talk about my career and I'm a journalist. I'm starting to the story when I'm being journalist, and right now I'm doing filmmaking also. Where do I start? Okay, I start when I finish my high school. My parents asked me, "What do you want to do after you finish your school?" So I'm straight talk. I want to study in filmmaking. I want to go to LPKJ. LPKJ is Institute of Art and Cinematography in Jakarta. Why I choose LPKJ? Because my neighbor is Christine Hakim. Christine Hakim always invite me to her new film or talk about the film with some directors. Most of all is like Teguh Karya and Arifin Seno. So I met the filmmaker since I maybe 16 or 17 years old. So it makes me having a dream to be a filmmaker. But my parents know you're going to be the other study. Choose but no LPKJ. You want to be an artist with the long hair, with the tear jeans or anything, because you know the image of the artist that time is very negative. So I changed my opinion. So I want to be a diplomat or journalist. So I'm going to the University of Indonesia, Faculty of Letters. I learn Russian language. That start with my dream start when I met some people in years 84. There is 3 moments that I call it changing my life, changing my lifetimes. One moment is when I watch movie Under Fire. It's year 84. It's tell about war photographer in Nicaragua. There is very interesting. So I convinced myself I want to be a photojournalist, a good photojournalist. And then after maybe six months later, I met Pramudia Anandatur. When I'm studying Faculty of Letters in University of Indonesia, I have a little shop to sell a book, sell merchandise. You know, we call it bursa. Toko bursa. It sell everything like T-shirt, pen, books. So that times I'm sure that if you want to sell something in different things, you're gonna be having a big profit. So I sell the books of Pramudia Anandatur. And I'm going to the Hasta Mitra Publishing in Pasar Senen. I met the Pramudia Anandatur since I sell maybe 30 books of Bumi Manusia and that tetralogi Bumi Manusia and Anak Semua Bangsa. For the third times, Pramudia Anandatur asked me what do you do in your school? Yeah, I'm learn Russian language and Aesop. What for? You learn for Russian language. I want to be a diplomat. What kind of job do you want if you fail in diplomat? I want to be a journalist. Like I tell him about the movie. I want to be journalist. Okay. There is a suggestion that I make from the Pramudia Anandatur. If you want to be diplomat, if you want to be a journalist, you have to have one thing. So I asked, what is it? You have to be storyteller. You have to be storyteller. So if you wanna spread the news, you wanna write, if you wanna if you wanna communicate with the audience, you have to be a good storyteller. How? Pramudia tell you have to feel and enjoy empiric experience. What is empiric experience? Yeah, everything. What do you learn? You see, you feel. You have to express. You have to express what you have every day. You see everything, and one thing, the most important thing, you have to respect the history. If you have respect history, you can make your own history. That sentence still, in my mind right now. I remember always what he said to me. Respect the history so you can create history. After that, yeah, when I 87, I'm finished my school and I'm trying to be a journalist in the Gramedia Group, but every time I have the test in Gramedia Group, I always fail. 3 times I always fail. So I'm trying to the other publishing. There is Tempo and Editor Magazine. I'm come to Tempo, having a test and fail again. When I go to after that, I'm going to the editor. I met the editor-in-chief. I told to him, though, I want to be journalist in editors and photo, especially photographer in your company. So what you're expert? You can write, you can taking a photo. So I told him I wanna make a better sport photography and news photography for your company. Before that, because in 86 to 88, I'm doing best photographer in sport for national contest. So I show him all my photo that I make, and is quite impressed. So okay, I give you internship for 3 months. Internship for 3 months, and after that I create some pictures, and I start to write some articles. After that, yeah, we can they give me a contract for the 3 years, and that is just how I start the journalism career. After that, I'm moving to the Gramedia Group. They invite me to be create the new media. So it is so funny because 3 times I'm not passed the test. And that time they invite me to join the magazine. They call it the Monitor Tabloid. So I'm doing photo editor in that company. And after that, there is so many magazine and tabloid that we make. I'm not working the media, but I create and I built the concept and doing all the things like the editorial things and marketing things. But the story maybe I can continue with when I'm doing journalist. I'm learned about film as a publicist for 2 years. Yeah, there is some different experience. When I'm doing journalist, so I am being a publicist for the films. I remember for the first project is film Kuldesak and Ada Apa Dengan Cinta. I'm doing as a publicist. After that, I learned how to being a filmmaker, and I'm start doing film my own self in horror movie like called Jelangkung. Maybe you know Jelangkung movie, the phenomenal one. After Jelangkung movie, I produce maybe about 12 films. I love the filmmaking industry. I'm doing so many film, and I love it. When I'm happy with this industry. There is like at the moment that change everything, and maybe I can tell you about the Playboy magazine. I'm stopped in the media business since I'm doing in MTV Tracks magazine in 2003. Yeah, 2003, and right now, that time I'm doing enough for the media business, because I already create maybe seven media, in lifestyle media and fashion magazine. So after the MTV Track magazine, I will stop. That's it. I'm doing seriously in filmmaking. When I'm happy with the filmmaking, they came to me some people. One of them is Aryan from MTV Tracks magazine. Maybe Aryan remember. With my staff in MTV Tracks magazine asked me to do let's make a new magazine. I straight to answer, no, I'm enough with the magazine. I'm doing a film magazine. I'm happy with this. I'm not doing anymore with the media business. After that, okay, when maybe we talk about 2 hours about the plan to having the magazine. Before they leaving my we met in some pub in Kemang. Before they go, what do you want to if you want to do the magazine? What brand you want to do? I know. I just want to do magazine. One title. It's Playboy magazine. They all laugh. They all laughing me, and okay. Let's wait and see. After 2 months. No, 1 month. I called them. Okay, I have a brand. I have a contract. The Playboy magazine brand. So we start gathering, and they resign to the previous company, MTV Tracks magazine, join me to Playboy magazine, and that's the history start. The Playboy magazine make me getting in a prison for 9 months. The verdict from the court is 2 years, but I won the ruling review, peninjauan kembali. So I only stay in prison for 9 months. In 9 months, what do you do in 9 months? I'm start writing the novel, writing the script, films. I want to show the films. So I create 3 books when I stay in the 9 months in prison. Okay, that's my story. And the thing is, when I 2010, so I met again with my friends when neighborhood in Bendungan Hilir. So you already doing the filmmaker. Remember when we go to the Christine Hakim? You wanna doing filmmaking, and your parents not allow you to study in LPKJ. Yeah, right now I'm doing the filmmaking. Like I have I'm decided to do when I'm 17 or 18 years old. So I think if you hold your dreams, you can reach your dreams in many ways. Okay, that's my story. Maybe we can talk later about the other side of my story. Maybe another speaker more interesting for me to talk about him. anyway, I'm just yeah. I'm just maybe face some trouble in you know, when I'm doing solo book in university, I'm doing a magazine. Yeah, maybe troubles come to me, not I'm coming to the troubles. Yeah, we can show the Rumah Sri Bombak. This is the films adapted from my novel that I wrote in the prison. This is my first film. I directing my first debut for directorial debut in films.
Tami, ay laku, dia takut, ake Didi.
Ayah sudah bilang jangan main jauh-jauh. Ini kamu malah main ke pantai. Udah lupa kamu sama pesan almarhumah ibu kamu.
Teman aku itu di laut.
Kamu kenapa nangis?
Rindunya sama ibu.
Aku mengenalmu sudah lama, dari kecil hingga secantik ini.
Kenapa kamu ngadu ke orang-orang? Kamu pengen semua orang tuh tahu rahasianya aku.
Nik, maafin aku soal itu, Nik. Tapi, kalau saja ada yang bisa aku lakukan, Nik, pasti akan aku lakukan, Nik.
Kamu yakin?
Dunia di dalam perbedaan, jika satu tetap kuat kita bersinar. Harus percaya tak ada yang sempurna dan dunia
This is Rumah Sri Bombak. I'm happy because my first movie is won 6 award in Festival Film Indonesia 2012. And the next trailer is Jejak Dedari. Jejak Dedari will be launched by next April.
Susunan benda-benda langit yang bergerak mengelilingi matahari disebut dengan nama planet, Bu. Salah. Rare?
Jawaban Rare Tata Surya.
Betul kamu, Rare.
Sudah mulai kerja di toko lampion buat bantu mimiku cari uang. batas, bukan juga menghalang. Tapi sebagai penanda bahwa ada urusan yang harus diselesaikan.
Mbak, nari bisa nari? Ah, sing bisa, ya kan kolok.
Pasti bisa. Asal penari Sahyang Dedari tidak menari dengan gerak dan ritme, tapi dengan jiwa. Jiwa mereka menyatu dengan bidadari. Ale harus menari dengan taksu.
Ken caranya paman taksu, Mbok. Ide Ayu dari keluarga Brahmana. Kita.
Anakmu itu cantik. Biarpun kolok, udah jadi umur panake. Lu berawan ya? Anaknya Siwa yang wujudnya raksasa mengejar adiknya, Rare Kumara yang lahir di Mukuwaya untuk dimangsa. Melalui mimpi Rare, Dewa mengingatkan kita untuk segera mengadakan satu lahir agar datang ledakan.
Rara itu anak wayang, Pak, yang belum dirubah. Saya tahu. Apa niat Bapak untuk mewawangi Rara supaya usaha Bapak ini lancar? Ya.
Saya ini calon kepala desa. Harus peduli pada rakyat.
Apa belum cukup kamu membawa Rane dengan perbuatan masa lalu kamu? Apa belum cukup seluruh desa menghina keluarga kita? Kenapa kamu kotori rumah ini? Kenapa harus di depan anak kamu? Meme macam apa ini?
Menang. Janganlah janji, Menang.
Magedi!
Jangan peduli.
Magedi! Magedi! Magedi!
Menang. Menang.
Jangan di sini, Pak. Apa kata orang desa nanti? Ini!
Okay, this is I'm happy because after 25 years I can direct Christine Hakim in my own films. That's it. Thank you for the time you gave me and